Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Off-Road's tail light guards for the 2018 to current JL Wrangler. Step 1. Turn off and open your vehicle's tailgate or move your hard and soft top so that you can access the tail light bolt panel, which is located just above each light. With a screwdriver, gently lift the tab up and away. Step 2. With the T40 Torx bit, unscrew and remove the plastic tail light retaining bolt, while supporting the tail light housing with the other hand. Disconnect the light by pulling the red tab down and pinching and pulling the sockets apart. Step 3. Place the corresponding guard front plate, marked by its curve orientation, over the tail light. Next, enclose the light with the rear plate so that the screw holes line up and it rests underneath or inside the front plate. With a 3mm Allen key and 5 of the included bolts and nuts, secure the two plates together. You may need to use an 8mm wrench as well. Step 4. Reconnect the power cable and resecure the tail light into the body with its plastic retaining bolt and panel. Repeat on the opposite side and resecure your vehicle. Once all your hardware has been secured, then it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road tail light guards.